I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a beautiful step-side C-10. This is a 1972. Got the wood bed in it. It's got a 1969 model 350 motor. We just put these wheels and tires on there. They're brand new. It's a set of revs. Like I said, with some really nice tires. I'm gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws I can find on this truck. If I do miss something, check out my test drive video. I go over everything else on the truck. And with that being said, you can jump on our website at maplemotors.com and get 100 detailed pictures of inside, out, and underneath of this truck. I appreciate y'all watching. Here we go. Look down the side of this truck, I can actually see an imperfection right in here. It's kind of hard to tell over the video, but you can see it if you look down the side. It's almost like they did a little bit of work there. They may have at some point. It's like a little dent. There's also touch-up paint right here where the door's been scraping against the inside. And we'll check that out when I open the door up. Here on the grill, it looks nice and clean. I like how they did the front end on this truck. A little different than the rest. The paint job is beautiful. It's got a good metallic shine. There's a little scuff down here. No, it's not a scuff, it's just some dirt, but it's all gone now. Thought I found something there. Look down this side, right there on top of that door. Get a little bit of an imperfection on it. See a little waviness right in this area. There's a chip right here on the hood where you can see how close it is. It's actually touching right now. So when you lift it up, it probably caught, messes the paint up there. Majority of the paint on this truck looks good, but I'm here to find any kind of flaws, so I'm gonna point them all out. See the fender well there is not bolted on properly, but it's still in there. Tuck that in. See, they got a little overspray on the fender well when they painted it. Bottom of this door is kind of hanging a little bit, sticking out on us. And if you look over here, there's some scuff marks. It's not going to come out. In the paint job, more chips from where the door's not aligned properly. Seal looks pretty good on this back window here. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. They're brand new. Your seal on the vent window needs to be replaced. It's dry. Look down on the inside here, you can see some rust bubbles popping through, paint bubbles. Back end here's the same way. A little rough on the paint job there. Tailgate's in good shape. Love how they did the lettering on this one. We'll start our way down this side here. Same little stuff's popping up over here. Some bubbles in the paint. There's some rust bubbles popping through at the bottom of this door here, on this section, and down at the bottom. The door's definitely aligned a lot better on this side. It's not hanging. Looks like it's in the correct position. Right up here, there's another bubble popping up. Behind the tag, I did see something earlier. It's like a slight dent. See a bubble popping up right here in front of your mirror. And these seals right here are dry, so needs to be replaced. They actually got a little bit of paint on this front seal. To open the hood, kind of got to put your hand up in here and push. I'm gonna need both of my hands to get this thing open. All right, y'all looked at the sky for a moment. Sorry about that. Under here is a 1969 model small block 350. It's got power brakes, power steering. This truck actually runs and drives very good. It is a low geared truck, meaning about 55, 65 mile an hour is all you're gonna be wanting to do. It's not gonna go much faster unless you change your rear end gear ratio. Nice and clean up under the hood here. Edelbrock carburetor. All right, we're gonna go ahead and work our way on the inside. We'll check out this interior and start her up. Looks like the seats have been replaced, so they're in great condition. No rips, tears, they're nice and comfortable. Door panels, old style door panels. Got an aftermarket stereo, Pioneer, head unit Pioneer speakers. You can tell the truck used to be blue from the paint chips in the door jamb. Look under this door here. There's some imperfections right there at the bottom of the door paint-wise. The seal around the door looks like it's good. Not fully put on, but good. In good shape at least. Carpet's not bad condition. It actually looks pretty good as well. Our dash pad's not in bad condition either. It's not ripped up, still nice and soft. Start looking around in here, old style door panels. Carpet's good. Aftermarket gauges below, and they all work. I'm gonna say none of the gauges work on the dash. The speedometer came up, but it said we were doing 70, and we were only doing about 30, so that's not correct. Missing the gas pedal. You could use that to drive it, which is fine, but you need your gas pedal. 49,935 miles. If you look up at the ceiling, it's got the old style headliner. This looks pretty cool. Got your vent windows in the back. Still missing the lock. There's no lock on the vent window. You can close it up, but you can't lock it. And we're missing our rear view mirror as well. All right. Let's give her a little gas here. See if she's flooded. A little flooded, but back to good. You can see our gauges are up. Everything's working. We had it driving down the road about 180. I think the highest it got was 190. This gauge does work, but it doesn't work when we first started for some reason. Once we get driving down the road, it jumps up 13, 14. Of course, the truck's nice and hot. A cold start, it's around 35 pounds on oil pressure. Sitting here, about 15. Motor sounds pretty good. Like I said, it runs and drives good, guys. You can want to watch the test drive video. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. If you have any other questions, you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. We'll be here to help you out. We're all family, been here 36 years. Check out my website, maplmotors.com. Got 100 detailed pictures of this truck and every car on the lot. You can see we got a lot full right now, but you can see inside out and underneath on this truck. Or just comment below. I'll try to get back with you. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post vehicles like this every day, and thanks again, guys.